It is snack time. Landon's actually playing her guitar in her room. You see. And we just started making smoothies. I had a blender. My husband broke it like 6 months ago and I just hadn't gotten one. I would have loved to gotten like a Vitamix, but those are like $500. Here is the blender I got. I think it was like $100 on Amazon. And I just love how this comes out. And then also it comes with 2 of these as well. So I'm really happy. It's very powerful. And then this is, I did some research to try to find a really good smoothie cup for her. And this is a spill-proof smoothie cup, and it's awesome. Like, it's slip-proof on the bottom, and she loves it. So what I typically do is, you know, when bananas get at the end of their life, I throw them in the freezer in half. So I do a half a banana. I have some mint, some fresh mint that I froze for my garden. Some spinach that I froze, because frozen spinach is actually hard to find right now in the pandemic. So I bought a huge thing of spinach and put it into smaller Ziplocs. So spinach or kale, mint, some sort of frozen fruit. I'm gonna do berries today. Throw in whole Greek yogurt. Whole plain Greek yogurt. So no added sugars at all. This is a flax chia seed blend. And then for spices, Vietnamese cinnamon is my favorite. And then a whole bunch of vanilla. And then I usually give her some sort of whole grain like Cheerios, crackers, sometimes toast or English muffin with a little bit of butter or peanut butter on it as well. All right, you ready to make a smoothie? It is 64 degrees outside. We're gonna make a smoothie. Look at that.
It's special.
It's special? You ready to go outside? Cheers.
Hi.
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 Nice movie.
Cheers. I like to call this snack Landon's charcuterie board. We picked these this morning. These are our first mini tomatoes from the Arrow Garden. So I'm gonna prep everything for her when she wakes up. And I would say most of her snacks are in her Sprout learning tower. It's just easier to do because I can cut things up and she can snack. And then sometimes I'll even prep dinner while she snacks as well. You want a strawberry?
Okay.
Good stuff.
We got strawberries.
Cut strawberries? Okay. Apple slice. My goodness, these strawberries are tasty. So just a half a PB&J. Landon's really into her food being in triangles, so I did my best. And before her nap, she pulled these out. She found them in the pantry and asked for them, and she'll eat this entire bag in like 10 minutes. So I promised her she could have it after nap. Usually I'll do like cucumbers and tomatoes or red peppers with the sandwich. But I promised her, so she'll love it. Landon is moving about from her nap. So today's snack, we have an Arrow Garden down in the basement with dill that she loves. Every time we go down the basement, we check on the tomatoes and she eats the dill. So I have unsalted top saltine crackers with cream cheese spread on it. And then we're gonna sprinkle some dill on it and then some mini cucumbers thinly sliced and make little cucumber sandwiches. And then maybe like a mandarin or orange. What else do we have? And it's absolutely beautiful outside. It's 70 degrees, so I have her high chair outside. And we're gonna snack outside. Landon snack, mommy snack. The only difference is I have everything but the bagel seasoning and has a lot of salt, so I didn't put it on hers. Actually, it's not that much salt. Maybe I'll sprinkle a little. And that fresh dill is amazing.
Another snack.
Yeah, you ready? You want to eat with mommy and have a snack?
Thank you.
You want to help me peel it?
Mommy's from it. Big
Big peel.
Zoom.
Zuka Zamba?
I did it.
What did I do?
She wants you to do the tiki toss again.
Oh, sure.
I can't believe it. In 5 days, Landon's gonna be 23 months. That's so crazy. But she has her last molars coming in right now, and she's really into crunchy things. One of her favorites are these Happy Baby rice cakes. So I've made 4 of those with a little bit of the peanut butter. This is no salt Valencia peanut butter, by the way. And I heard Valencia's better. Has something to do with like the pesticides. I don't know, you can Google it. So I get that from Trader Joe's for her. And then she loves oranges. So that's gonna be a snack. What are you eating for snack?
And
Oh, an orange, is it yummy?
a rice cake.
Oh, a rice cake. Mm-hmm. Landon just got a new bow. I'm trying to figure out how to make it work.
A bowl.
You guys see yourself? Look.
That's pretty cute.
Is that the look? That's the look. We're trying to find a cute, like, second birthday outfit. What do oranges taste like?
It's yummy.
It's yummy. Yeah. You look so pretty with your bow, Landon. Did you have a good nap? Can you say, it's Friday, Friday, getting down on partying, partying. What? Partying, partying. Woo! Fun, 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 fun. Now you know it. Taggy's partying, partying.
Just kicking in the back seat.
Kicking in the back seat.